Let's make some tasty homemade meat pie. We start by using all-purpose flour, add in some milk, some salt, add in some more milk, and mold it together. Then we move on to make the fillings by cutting in some onions, adding in some canned beef. And when that is done, we add in some garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, some bouillon powder, and then mix all and put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Once that is ready, we cut some potatoes and cook them for 5 minutes, add them to the filling and mix them together. That is what we are going to use for the filling. Then we begin molding our meat pie, the flour, and the base for the meat pie. So we mold it, make sure everything is well set, and once that is set, we coat our surface with some flour and begin to mold it some more till it assumes this flat consistency, and then we begin shaping it. You can shape it with anything that you want. We use this and then we add in the filling. Once we add the filling, we shape it to look more nicer, and we continue filling until we are done with all our dough or flour. Now it's time to coat it with some milk and eggs. That gives it that shiny look and, very beautiful look. So once we are done with that, it's time to bake, and there you have it, your delicious tasty meat pie. Bye.